We've inserted the artist with an automatic key. When we insert the song, we need to have a foreign key from the artist table. So it's a little bit different. In this case, we insert into TBL song name, genre, rating, price, and we have to insert the foreign artist ID key so we can connect this table with the artist table. You have to have the artist exist first before they can have a record. And then we have our placeholders that match the items that we're going to push into it. If we go further down, there it is, add a record. We're turning on foreign keys. This enforces referential integrity, which means that we cannot add an artist unless the artist ID already exists. That also means that if we delete an artist, that deletes all their records, so we don't end up with orphaned records. And here we insert the name, genre, artist ID. This information gets copied into this right as this record is being sent to the database engine. Now if we go over to our Music Store app, there it is, add song. Here's where we get our input. We get the song name, genre, rating, all that. We're displaying the artist first so that we can see what the foreign key is. Otherwise, we have no way of knowing what that foreign key is. Then we can add, and then we display all songs to make sure that the artist is in there. Well, let's try it out and see if it works. Move this up here. Let's do one. We're going to add a song. We're going to add me. And I'm from the US. Okay, so you can see I'm in there twice. We have all the foreign keys. When we go down to add a song, it lists all the artists and their foreign keys so that we can connect one of the artists with this song. So we'll say the Mills Brothers did a song called Cab Driver. I used to sing that back in the day in the country band. Cab Driver. Okay, the genre would be swing. It's a fun song to sing, and it's a great song, and listening to the Mills Brothers harmonize and sing that, oh yeah. We'll just say it's $12.99 for the price, and the artist ID is going to be 6. And there it is. Now at this point, we really can't see, is the artist connected? Oh, and this is not right. These are slid over. Somehow I have my display thing slid over a notch. I'll have to fix that. Anyway, I have put in a, one of the things we're going to do, I think, next time is display all the artists and all the songs. So if I do 5, there they are. Cab Driver by the Mills Brothers. And these are lined up. I'm not sure why these are not lined up, but I'll take a look at that and fix it. Because this should be, yeah, these are not in the right order. Regardless, that's our next little step, is to get those guys in there. And we also put in, yep, fetch the records, display all songs, yep, same thing. In order to see the song that we've put in, we do the same thing we did before. Fetch all records, select star from table.song. We return a tuple. So each tuple is a record in a row in the database, and we looked more closely at that earlier. This goes down into the display all songs once. So display all songs, display all artists. We can delete an artist, and then we're going to delete a song, and somewhere we're going to display both of them. Oh, there it is. All songs and artists, I think, is the next one to do. Well, I will line up my... Oh, I see in my assignment I have it. I didn't fix it here either, did I? Well, I will fix that. We'll see you later.